Hello everyone, welcome to Mama Africa's Kitchen. Today we are going to make pizza bites. We are going to make the pizza bites. So I'm going to use mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, the pizza sauce, green onions, and bread. So these are our bread, guys. I bought them from Costco. So I want to do them for my grandson is coming over with his friends. I want to surprise them. So this is it. I just come with this idea today. So I already preheated my oven at 350 and they are going to take about 20 minutes. That's it. So this is it. We're gonna do maybe 2 batches. So we'll start with this one first. So now I'm going to use my sauce. Put your sauce first. My oven is preheated already. This is it. Now I'm going to put my cheese, my mozzarella cheese. This. Very good for snacking. That's it for the cheese. I'm going to use my pepperoni. I'll do 2 just to make it delicious. like pepperoni, I'm gonna do double pepperoni. Have a lot of it. I'm gonna put my green onions. What do you mean that? You can put wherever you want. If you have olives, you can put olives. Now, washing my hands. I don't want contamination because I want to add more cheese on top. Just a tiny bit of cheese on top. Just like a real pizza. Look how beautiful it is. It's amazing. It will be delicious. So that's it. Now it's time to put them in the oven and wait. Looking delicious. Delicious. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. Need to take it. It's ready. It's ready. Make it for the kids. Make them as appetizer. Yummy, yummy. So hot. So hot. So this is it. It's ready. Ready, ready, ready. So this is it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends and family. Bye now. Bye. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Ooh, let me try one. So yummy, guys. So yummy.